Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com, and I like to make low-carb recipes. Today, I've teamed up with ChocZero, and I'm going to show you a recipe that everyone's going to love. Today, we're making chocolate-covered maple bacon roses. I mean, who doesn't like bacon? Everyone loves bacon. And if you give somebody a chocolate-covered bacon rose, well, you just became their favorite person. So let's get started. Let's start with the star of our show, which is bacon. For this recipe, you're gonna need 1 package of bacon, which is 12 slices of bacon. To each slice of bacon, we're gonna brush some ChocZero maple syrup on top. I love this maple syrup. It's sugar alcohol-free, sugar-free, and tastes delicious. If you don't like maple syrup or you don't like maple bacon flavor, you can definitely omit this part, but I highly recommend it because it just gives it a little bit of sweet flavor. Then, starting at one end of the bacon strip, you're gonna roll tightly until you form a rose shape. And you're gonna secure it with 2 toothpicks, forming an X at the base. You wanna repeat this with the rest of your strips of bacon. Place these on a baking sheet and place a wire rack on top. This will help collect any of the grease that drips down below. If you don't have a wire rack, just place it on a foil-lined baking tray. You just might have to shake off a little bit of that extra bacon grease after they're done cooking. We're gonna bake these in a 375-degree oven for anywhere between 30 to 45 minutes. But check it after around 30 minutes just to see where it's at. While your bacon is cooking, you want to move on to prepping the rose stems of your bacon roses. I've just picked up some fake roses from a local craft store, and we're just going to cut the petals off the top. You want to channel your inner Morticia vibes from the Addams family when you do this. You want to leave the top of the base and stem just so that the bacon rose has support as it slides onto it. When your bacon is done cooking, you want to remove the bacon roses from the oven and let them cool completely before removing the toothpicks. Next, we're going to dip each bacon rose into some melted chocolate. So this is chocolate by ChocZero. I'm going to be using their milk chocolate baking chips. It's one of my favorite chocolates to cook with because it melts perfectly. I've melted my chocolate in the microwave using short 30-second bursts and stirring in between. If you don't want to use a microwave, you can use a double boiler to melt your chocolate. You want to stand these roses upright to let them cool. Then we'll remove our toothpicks and place them onto our plastic stems. And now you have a bouquet that either he or she is gonna love. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you tag ChocZero with all of your photos of your chocolate-covered bacon roses. And don't forget to check out our website, ChocZero.com, for more delicious keto recipes.